This will be the single most important application of mascara in my life.
You guys all sipping quarantinis and listening to your leg hair grow?
Sick.
They're quite simple to make, actually. Some ginger, a whole lemon, chicken broth for zinc, a dash of vodka, and a Band-Aid for the vaccine injection site. Cheers. And would you like your leg hair and your eye hair to grow? Let it grow, let it grow.
I like my lashes to look like spiders' legs.
Oh my God, that is so crazy. Me too. So today we're going to talk about the wonders of Latisse. Okay, let's see how much I can effectively embarrass myself over the next 5 to 7 minutes.
I said you wanna be starting something. Got to be starting something. I said you wanna be starting something. Got to be starting something. One cat, 2 cat, 3 cat. I don't have 3 cats. That's crazy. That's disgusting.
Check this out. You're not going to believe this. Louis Armstrong called. He said he wanted to sing my opening jingle. Can you believe this guy?
Sincerely, Sammy. Sincerely, Sammy Shaw.
I don't know about you guys, but to me, wearing makeup is a pain in the butt. And one of the ways you can circumvent wearing it is by having incredible lashes. Eyelash extensions, however, are terribly damaging to your follicle and root, extremely tedious and expensive to maintain, and don't even look all that flattering, great, or natural. Frankly, there's never anything subtle about them. Now, Latisse is a prescription, but it's honestly like the easiest one of all time to get a hold of. There's even an app called Rory, R-O-R-Y, that'll prescribe it to you without even going to the doctor. The only real problem lies in Latisse's applicators. They suck. Luckily for you, I've come up with a solution. I use the brush from a prostaglandin over-the-counter product like New Lash because it's far less wasteful and provides for a much finer application. Just make sure you rinse the New Lash bottle and brush out with a mild dish soap before you start using it for Latisse, and also rinse the brush out with dish soap after each subsequent application. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it. I place a thin layer above my lashes, and even though the manufacturer's directions say the process ends here, I then put a thin layer on my bottom lashes and then a very thin layer on the underside of my tops. Try not to get any in your eyes, but if you do, have a tissue handy and just lean to that side and dab lightly at the corners. Your tears will also help to wash them out. Believe me though, you do not want to put this on your eyebrows. Surely not. Sure? Sure. Eyebrows are where prostaglandin analog products like New Brow come in quite swimmingly. Now let's talk about the science.
Science! Science! She blinded me!
Much like penicillin and frankly many other drugs, Latisse was discovered by accident. During the clinical trial for a medicated eye drop used to treat glaucoma or ocular hypertension, some side effects were noted. And they were longer, fuller, darker lashes, resultant from the active ingredient bimatoprost, a powerful, locally acting vasodilator. meaning it enlarges your vessels, which, through a biochemical pathway, causes the hair follicle to spend more time in the anagen, or growth phase, and less time in the telogen, or resting/shedding phase.
Shedding.
And yay for that! Because there's no such thing as having too much fluff. Right, Shelley?
Shelly.
Me and Shelly the Fluffinator bringing you all the mother fluffin' follicular turnover. Try to say that even one time slowly, okay? But enough about that. I think it's time for some cat.
She's a very fluffy girl, from her head down to her fluff ends, the kind you won't take home to textiles. She's alright, that cat's alright with me. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey! She's got super feet, got super mitzies, meow.
Sorry, baby. Okay. That's it for this show, he, she's, and theys. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and like this video. And until then, have fun, be safe, and learn some stuff, damn it.